And thousands of residents in the Hattiesburg area are still putting their lives back together. New Testament Baptist Church was handing out plate lunches today. Their church lost its roof and a portion of the back building, but they say they will rebuild. Residents nearby are still clearing debris, and contractors are just starting to rebuild.
My sister lost her house, so I got her with me. My aunt lost her house right down the street there, so. But you know, they striving. We just got to keep pressing on.
It's really rough on the whole neighborhood and my fellow peoples and everything. It's been really hard. So many homes, if you look around the surrounding area, it's been really bad.
Members of New Testament Baptist Church say they will have to tear down the back portion of the church, but they will be able to save it. The first order of work will call for fixing the roof.